angels, hi my loves, it's LV Lux Girl back again with another video. So today I have a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing my new Louis Vuitton bag. So yeah, you guys, today I wanted to talk to you guys about this bag. So I have the bag right here and it's all packaged up the way I received it in the mail. So I went ahead and the only thing that I did was I took the little, the shipping label out right there that was in the front. And that's about it. You can see that the box isn't opened or anything. I haven't breached or opened the box. So yeah, you guys, today we're going to be unboxing this new Louis Vuitton bag. So I'm nervous. First of all, you guys know when the packages come, I wanted to share this with you guys. It's so much fun. I love watching unboxings and reveal videos. So, I wanted to go ahead and have you guys join in with me on the fun. So if you like unboxings and reveals and videos like that, then go ahead, hit the thumbs up button right now, as well as subscribe to the channel. Go ahead, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out anytime I do unboxings or reveals, as well as it's just a fun channel, you guys. I love hanging out with you guys and it's so much fun. I enjoy watching the videos. I love watching unboxings and reveals. So yeah, so basically this bag, you guys, when this bag came, when the package comes, it's so, you get nervous. I get nervous because I'm just hoping that the bag will be as lovely, and I'm sure it probably will be, but you just hope that, when you're buying Preloved off the Preloved market, you just hope that the item is as nice as, the description said in the seller's description. You want to make sure that, the vachetta is nice, and I think I'm going to be pleased with the vachetta on this bag. What I'm afraid of a little bit with this bag is the size. Normally with Louis Vuitton bags, most of them, some of them come in PM, the small version, MM, the medium version, and GM, the large version. Most of the time, I'm a GM kind of girl. I like the larger GM sized bags. Recently, I did an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Saumur bag, and she's right over there, my Louis Vuitton Saumur bag. And initially with that bag, I thought I was gonna need the larger 35, which I guess would be quote unquote considered the GM version of the bag. And as you guys can see, I ended up going with the smaller size 30, the smaller size bag, because for the GM in that particular case, or the 35 in that particular case, was more like a travel bag. So with this particular bag right here that I'm about to unbox, basically I ended up going with the GM size. Now the PM is a little cutie, and you guys know, if you saw my title, which I'm sure you did, you clicked on the video. The Chantilly it comes in a couple of sizes. I know it comes in the PM, the smaller size, and it comes in the GM size. I went with the Chantilly GM. So for me, I thought the PM is really cute. It's such a cute, adorable little vibe. It's such a cute, adorable little bag. But then I thought about it, as cute as a little nugget as that will be to look at on the side of my hip, practically, I think I need the GM. I think I need the largest. Let's go ahead and unbox this and open it up so we could start looking at the bag as we're talking about it. But I thought about it for a while, and you want to go ahead and make the right decision. So, you think about the bags, and I thought about it. First, I was going to get the PM, and then I said, I think I better go with the GM on this one. You just want to make the right choice for yourself. And for me, I think with this one, the GM isn't a travel size bag, and it's going to be, I think, a good size to carry my practical items every day. So this was nice. So I got a little thank you card. Go ahead and see if I could share that with you guys. So it came with this little thank you card. 1 second. So it came with a little thank you right there, a little thank you card, and that's the way it came in the top of the box. So it was wrapped very nicely, and it came with a little thank you card that says thank you for your purchase. Yeah, and it also says not to hesitate to contact them if I have a problem with my bag, which I'm sure I won't. So this is really good, and this seller is certified in selling authentic items. So I'm going to go ahead and hold on to this. And now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm so nervous, you guys. Go ahead and take this up. And here you can see my beautiful Chantilly right here. I just took the tissue paper up and you can see it's wrapped right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her out the package. So far, I'm very happy. Go ahead and take her out the package. So she's wrapped in bubble wrap right here. And just looking at this, I think I'm happy with the size because I think the smaller one, as cute as it would have been, I think it was gonna be just a little too small. I think I needed this larger size. I remember years and years and years ago, I had a Burberry bag that was in this similar silhouette, like this Chantilly. It was in this similar silhouette. Oh, she's so cute. I'm liking her. Okay, so this is what she looks like, you guys, my new beauty right here. So I remember years and years and years ago, I had a Burberry bag that was in this similar silhouette, and it had a rounded bottom, and it was like at the top, and you know, it had the horse fairy or that pattern with the horse that Burberry is known for. But yeah, I really like the vachetta on it. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the vachetta. This is what the back looks like. It's a nice color as far as the vachetta and the patina, you know, and it came with a little tag for the, I guess, the style number from the seller. I'm gonna go ahead and clip that off. Right here, it came with a little tag. I'm gonna go ahead and clip that off. And I noticed that I didn't even know until I started liking this bag. I didn't even know that Louis Vuitton went ahead and redid this Chantilly bag. They redid it in a couple of different styles and a couple of different versions. They did it with like the reverse monogram, and then they did it in just the regular monogram pattern. So I wasn't even aware that Louis Vuitton had redone this bag in like a locket version. I think they call it the Chantilly with the lock, until I started looking for my bag. And the reason I wanted to go ahead and look for my bag is because I wanted a crossbody. I wanted a crossbody bag for the summer. I just feel like as of lately, I just wanted a couple of Louis Vuitton bags that I could wear crossbody, that I could put a little bit of items in, a few items. If you're not carrying as much as, you know, as like sometimes you don't always need a tote, like, you know, the Neverfull, or, you know, I have the Saks shopping tote. Sometimes I won't need, you know, such a large tote. Sometimes I'm gonna just want to carry a few smaller items, you know, and that's why I decided to go ahead and get the Saumur, and that's also why I decided to go and get this Chantilly, because I just wanted to be able to carry a few smaller items. So this is what it looks like when I go ahead and open the top. I love the Louis Vuittons that have this type of leather on it. I have the Louis Vuitton Ministry clutch, and it's like a portfolio document case, and it has this gorgeous leather on it as well, this brown leather on the underside. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the stuffing out. Go ahead and take the stuffing out of it. Okay, let me go ahead and look inside of there. Looks very, very nice. So this is what it looks like on the interior. And the same thing, you can see that it's really, really nice leather in there, you guys. Now my pocket does have a little bit of peeling on my pocket, but I'm not gonna put anything in there. And this pocket is kind of giving a little bit of trouble to open and close, but it's okay. I'm not gonna put anything or really use the pocket. I just find that for me, you know, as long as I get one with good condition as far as the vachetta leather goes and everything, and look under here, you know, as long as I get one with good condition vachetta leather, then I'm okay. Because I have a couple of other bags that you girls know, a couple of them that I have, all of us do. The interior pocket, that's a common problem, that the interior pocket will go ahead sometimes and deteriorate on a vintage Louis Vuitton bag. So she has 4 settings that you can put her on, 4 little adjustable settings right here for this front buckle flap, and that's how you go ahead and close the Chantilly. And this is the GM size, and it's really pretty, rather large, like I stated. And then she has the cushion on the strap, what I call a comfort strap. Excuse me, what I call a comfort strap. She has the, it's basically just like a pad on the strap for, you know, so it'll be comfortable and then it won't, you know, go ahead and dig on into your neck right there. And then she also has settings on the strap, and the settings right now are set on a very, very small, tiny, you know, drop proportionately down. I'm gonna go ahead and move the setting and change the setting up just a little bit more, and then we could go ahead and take a look at her. But yeah, I just think that this is gonna be so nice to wear if I go out, you know, anywhere, to an amusement park, to a fest, you know, just go out for date night. Just when I just want to grab a few items. With the pandemic right now still, you know, going on, I don't always like carrying, you know, so much heavy, you know, items. I don't want to be bogged down all the time with everything other than my essentials. So I did go ahead and move the setting down just, you know, a few. And, you know, I'm going to test this baby out, and I'm going to have to see what works for me as far as crossbody with these different settings. But I really think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enjoy this bag in my collection. So I wanted to go ahead and give you guys some dimensions. So let me go ahead and do that really quickly. We're gonna go ahead and do some dimensions. So the length of this bag is about 9 inches tall. So she's about 9 inches tall, you guys. Right there, she's about 9 inches tall. And then the width, her width is about 10 inches wide. So she's about 10 inches wide. She's about 10 inches wide right there. And then as far as, that was height and length. Height and length. So 9 inches tall and 10 inches long, and then her actual width is about 2 inches. So her actual width, it's always kind of hard to show, is about 2 inches wide. Right here, she's about 2 inches right there, you guys, wide. So this is the larger version. And I'll definitely go ahead and put dimensions of the smaller version down below. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to go ahead and share my unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Chantilly. And this is the GM size. And let me know, comment down below, you guys, what do you think your pick would be as far as with the Chantilly? Do you think that you would go for the PM size, or do you think you would go for the GM size? And would you go for the vintage one, or would you go for the new one that they more recently released? And would you probably pick the monogram or the reverse monogram? So yeah, you guys, thank you for sticking it out with me for this unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton bag. I really enjoyed you all sticking it out with me. Remember to go ahead, hit that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out anytime I upload. And I'll see you again soon in another video.